Hey guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notifications. So then here it's going to take you to this list. Just switch in here to open a video. Then it's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on posts. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You will find here lost and front posts. Can you disable it here for email and here for phone? And here can you disable it for all next door notifications when you click on this sign? Like you see color it's gone. That's me lost in front post disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.